What if I told you that a computer could be in California and Australia at the exact same time? No, it's not a glitch. It's not science fiction. It's quantum computing, and it's about to break reality as we know it. You've heard the term quantum thrown around a lot, right? But here's the simple truth. Quantum mechanics is just the math that describes how the tiniest things in our universe behave. Think electrons, photons, even the cells in your body. The famous physicist Richard Feynman once pointed out that nature itself runs on quantum rules. So if we ever want to build a computer that truly simulates nature with perfect accuracy, that computer has to behave quantum mechanically. And that's exactly where the idea of quantum computing was born. Now, a normal computer works with bits. Bits are simple. They can be a 0 or a 1, on or off, north pole or south pole. But a qubit can be 0, 1, or anything in between at the same time. Imagine being in New York, London, and Tokyo simultaneously. That's the magic of superposition. And here's the mind-blowing part. You and I are literally made of quantum particles. So in a way, we're built from the same stuff that makes quantum computers powerful. So why does quantum physics feel so confusing? It feels hard because our daily life doesn't behave quantum mechanically. We don't walk through walls. We don't exist in two places at once. But at the smallest scale, probabilities, overlaps, and in-between states are totally normal. That's why quantum physics feels strange, not because it's wrong, but because it's different from what we experience. Now let's talk about what quantum computers can actually do. Let's take a real example: drug discovery. Right now, to test a new medicine, you run physical trials for years. But with a powerful quantum computer, you could simulate how a drug interacts with your body atom by atom before ever touching a patient. That interaction between drug and body is quantum mechanics in action. So instead of failing 99 times in a lab, you fail in simulation, saving years and lives. People often ask, will quantum computers ever work for real? The honest answer is, they're already working, just not at full scale yet. Think of the first airplane flight. It lasted only 12 seconds. That's exactly where quantum computers are today. Short demonstrations, small but real success. Not ready for your desk, but absolutely ready to change science forever. Will we all have quantum laptops one day? Probably not. In the early days of normal computers, experts thought only mathematicians in universities would ever use them. We all know how wrong that prediction was. But quantum computers are different. They're not built to browse YouTube or send emails. They're built for problems that are impossible for classical computers, like simulating molecules, breaking current encryption in theory, and optimizing massive systems like global logistics. We're still discovering what they can really do, and that's the exciting part. Quantum computing isn't the future, it's already here, quietly learning to walk. And when it starts running, it will change medicine, energy, AI, and maybe even how we understand reality itself. If you want to stay ahead of the next big tech shift, hit subscribe, because the future isn't waiting.